Hi, it's Larry Gaines from Power Cycle Trading. Tonight I'm going to go through a video that's I'm calling it the Gold Trading Stampede, and it's going to talk about trends and how you catch trends and what happens when you catch the right trend early. Before I get started though, I'm going to have a free webinar this coming Thursday night, which is April the 18th from 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. Central. And I'm just going to go over a lot of things and answer a lot of questions. It's going to be kind of a general webinar where I'm going to really try to address a lot of questions from anybody out there. And it's titled "Are You Tired of Chasing Trades?" So I'm going to go over trend breakouts and a lot of other features that can help you with your trading. So if you'd like to sign up, this will be on this email for the blog video. And it's going to be again Thursday, April the 18th, 7 to 8 p.m. And you can sign up here on this email link that you'll see on the email with the video blog that's attached. So let's get rolling here, and I'm going to show you some pretty interesting stuff that went on today with gold and show you what we've been doing. Now, first off, you want to have the trend as your friend, and you want to trade the trend. So if you've been following me, you know that we trade a lot of Apple. We trade a lot of Apple weekly options. So really started trading Apple back here in 2010, and it's just been this fantastic uptrend that we traded for basically 2 years. So we caught this trend just trading in and out, in and out, in and out, in and out on day trades and swing trades. And you see Apple's turned over, and it's been sitting down at the bottom of the range here for a while, for 2 months. And it's looking weak again. It's today, it's closed back down and made a low of, let's see, today's low was around 2. Where was today's low? Today's low was 419.55, which is an area it really needs to hold. You can see it broke this trend line here, pivot low extension. This is a monthly long-term macro trend line. And while we're here, let's do a Fibonacci retracement just to show you where that is. Now, a couple of points for Fibonacci retracement. First off, I'll take the low back here in 2009, extend it up here to the high we've made back in 2012, and you can see the 50% retracement comes in right here at 390, 391. So with this break of the trend line, and it's very difficult right now. It's struggling here holding this support level. Of course, we have earnings next week, so that could be the key. So it could trade sideways, or it could trade down into the earnings, and you've got this 50% retracement level, 390. Depending on what happens with earnings, the next point of support will be the 618 at 316. And to the upside, you've got the 382 at 465, and then 556. Now, I did another Fibonacci retracement from this pivot low that was back in June of 2012 to the high. And from this, you can see these kind of clusters of support and resistance. So here you've got the 618. This retracement level gives you the low to high, the 3. Let me see here. You've got this area of resistance right in here, the 618, 382. They overlap, so that comes in about 465. So that's a major resistance. You've got these kind of clusters, and then down here again, from this pivot low to the high, it's got its 786 retracement down here around 394. So good support here at 395, 394 from 2 different Fibonacci retracement zone or levels extensions. So that's Apple. Now let's go to gold. We had a gold stampede today, and gold really moved hard to the downside. Now here's gold on a monthly or macro time frame. Here's your extension low pivot point back in October 2008 up to the high it made back September 2012. 1923.70 was the high. So if you take this and look at your Fibonacci levels, your 50% retracement comes in here right at 1297. Let's call it 1298. We had a low today of 1235. So we're talking very, very near to this 50% retracement level, and this is my target right here. This is where you want to take a shot at a bounce, a really good short covering rally at the 50% retracement level. Now, if this thing extends through there really hard, then the next level supports the 618. But this 50% retracement should have some buying in and come in, but a lot of times, and also don't forget this is a monthly or macro, so this thing it's been sold down real hard, so this would be a very good support zone for it to bounce and have maybe a pretty decent recovery back up here, to retrace maybe back where it broke down from that 1445 level. Or let's switch it to weekly and see where that comes in. So you can see it really broke hard from this 1554, came down here, had a 1476, and then extended on down. So this 382 comes in around right here at 1440. So I'm looking for down around 1300, and then a retrace back up into this area back up here. Now today we had a really great day trading gold. Let me show you some of the entries that we had. Now I wanted to show you some of our trade entries on gold today, and this is just based on day trading. We had a really great day. We had a number of our traders in our trading room made some fantastic profits, and I'll show you that in a second as well. But here is one of the first trades today. This came at about 755, and our system went short. I can't show you our system because it is proprietary, but you're welcome to join us, and once you join our membership, then you get everything. You get access to the system and everything else that we use. So here this went one short entry right here at 8 o'clock basically, and you can see pretty nice short. Of course this was very volatile, huge moves per bar, so very hard to stay with the trade. Not an easy day to trade, but huge movements, and I'll show you some of the results in a minute. And we had a nice long, and this is only on the 5-minute. I mean, we used multiple time frames, and this is a very selective time frame for us, but we'll use shorter term time frames, and we'll get selective little in and out trades on that as well. But here this came about 10:25, a long trade. Then we had a short trade about 11:40, another long trade about 12:45, short trade about 13:15, which is 2:15, and then a long at that 1:15, and then a long here towards the end of the day at 2:05. So these just give you a sampling of some of the selective trades based on our model, and but we use multiple time frames, so this isn't everything. Let me show you some of the results that we had today. Now this is taken right out of our virtual trading room, the chat room, where we post trades, talk back and forth, where I call out trades. And here's one of our traders, Doug. This is what he made on gold. This is cumulative per one contract, and I'm not sure how many contracts Doug trades. He'll usually trade anywhere from 1 to 3 contracts, but just on gold alone today he made about $2,470, and that's cumulative per contract, so that's on based on one contract. We had another guy, Nick, who's a really good trader. He made over $10,000 today. He traded 2 contracts on gold, and he had a cumulative return per contract of about $5,495. So on trading 2 contracts, he was up over $10,000 a day on gold. And we had another one of our really good traders, Will, again trading gold using our trading system, and Will made $4,200 per contract just on gold, and I think he also had $490 per contract on crude oil. So I just wanted to show you some of the results from our trading room, and this is like per contract. So these guys will trade one contract to sometimes as many as 10. So just to show you what can be done, and this is all based on our power cycle trading model system, and today this was based on gold. So if you want to get an edge and trade consistently and make good returns on your capital, you should come join us and see how we trade using our power cycle trading model. We use it for cycle high and low trades and breakout trades, so it's a fantastic model, and if you'd like to learn more and join us, come check us out, and also make sure you sign up for my free webinar this Thursday the 18th from 7 to 8 Central. Thanks a lot, and hope this video helps.